Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play League of Legends, Wild Rift on your computer. To begin, you will need an Android emulator, which is software that mimics a mobile device on your PC. Popular choices include BlueStacks, LD Player, and Nox Player. These tools allow you to download and run mobile applications, including Wild Rift, directly on your desktop. Ensure your computer meets the emulator's system requirements for a smooth experience. This initial step is crucial for bringing the mobile MOBA action to a larger screen. Once you have chosen an emulator, download and install it from its official website. After installation, launch the emulator and complete the initial setup, which typically involves logging in with a Google account. This allows access to the Google Play Store. Next, open the Play Store within the emulator, search for League of Legends, Wild Rift, and proceed with the game installation. The process is very similar to installing an app on a smartphone or tablet, taking just a few minutes. With Wild Rift installed, it is time to optimize your experience. Most emulators offer robust control mapping features, allowing you to assign keyboard keys and mouse actions to in-game touch controls. Take some time to customize these settings for maximum comfort and precision. Additionally, adjust the in-game graphics settings to match your computer's capabilities, aiming for a balance between visual quality and smooth frame rates. Finding your ideal setup will significantly enhance your gameplay. To ensure the best possible gameplay, always close any unnecessary background applications running on your computer. A stable internet connection is also vital. Consider using a wired connection for consistent performance. Regularly updating both your emulator and Wild Rift will provide access to the latest features and bug fixes. Finally, practice is key. Spend time learning different champions and strategies to truly master the game on your computer.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.